Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about PIP and the virtual environment. So let's dive right in. Okay, so to start off, what is PIP? PIP stands for Python Package Index, and it's basically a big library where you can use code which is written by others. What I mean by this is other programmers, they can write code which makes it easier to do some tasks. It's quite abstract to explain, but well, there are a lot of problems with programming which are to be solved, and other programmers may have solved it for you, so you won't have to reinvent the wheel. Yeah, you can just use the code others wrote, and that's what pip does. It's basically it downloads this code and makes sure you can run it easily. But there is one big problem with it, and that is that pip doesn't take real good care of your versioning, and that's where the virtual environment comes in. The virtual environment allows you to specify which versions you want to use for different projects. So this is really helpful when you have to manage multiple projects which use the same dependencies, the same modules, but different versions. So, well, that's the theory behind it, and well, I'll show you how you install virtual environment, and we will be creating our first environment. So let's get started. Let me just open VS Code real quick, and as you can see, we're in this directory, and the first thing we'll do is we'll install virtual environment. So what we're going to do, if you're on Windows, you won't have to type sudo, but if you're on Mac or on Linux, we will first type sudo, followed by pip install, and then virtual environment, VirtualEnv. It will ask for my password, and there it goes. So with the virtual environment installed, let me just show you how to create a virtual environment. We will type virtual environment, and then you can name your virtual environment. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to name it VNV. And it is installing, and the setup is done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to run the activate script, and what we're going to do, well, I will show you it first here. Okay, so if you're on Windows, I believe it's called activate.exe, or I don't know, honestly. I've only used Mac and Linux. But over here we can just do venv /in/activate. Oh, excuse me. We're going to do source venv/bin/activate. And now what we see here is venv. So that's the name of our virtual environment. So what we've created now is a wrapper in which we can install multiple modules, and the modules will be explained further down the road, but for now just go with it. And now we can create our first Python code, but that's for another video. So I would like to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.